Joao, welcome back.
Thank you, George.
It's a
Nice
pleasure.
to be here again.
You know, our life changes quite a lot. You were the first hunter in 2020 in February when we hunted that roan, and after that a lot has happened, with this COVID and everything.
The world changed.
The world changed.
Or at least stopped for a while.
But I'm glad you're back. You're the last client for the season, and I hope we're gonna have an excellent time.
We will.
The last time you were here, you said you are interested in a big Sable bull. So Joao, last client of the season. The stakes are up, and we're looking for a Sable bull, but not the average Sable bull, way above average.
We'll look for him for sure, and we'll try our best. I trust you guys, you and Samuel, and I think we're going to have a great hunt here. And I'm very glad to be back in South Africa. Thank you very much, George, for having me here. Thank you, Samuel.
Okay, just to give a little bit of background, Joao's from Portugal. He's a very well-known hunter in Europe. He's been Europe's Hunter of the Year for a couple of years. He's been for a very long time being the SCI president of Portugal, or Luciana. And he also published a very nice book, and you guys can have a look, especially if you can read Portuguese. And but Joao, it's always a pleasure having people like you and clients and friends back like you.
Thank you. We've just sighted the gun.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's try to hunt something.
Let's see what we get.
Thank you.
On Joao, sir, our first afternoon we spotted some sable. There's one big bull. What would you say? More or less, what do you think? 44, 43 inch?
Something around.
Yeah, a nice white tip to tip.
Yeah, really nice curve.
Yeah, very, very nice. Some younger bulls here to the right as well. But yeah, definitely not exactly what we're after, but that is a good bull. Yeah, Joao, we're looking at another big Sable bull here from the back of the pickup truck. Just spotting some animals, and another stunning bull, I would say. But I would estimate that bull anything 44 inches plus, even maybe 45. But it's our first afternoon. I hope we don't make a mistake, but I think we saw a bull that I think is bigger than that one a week or two ago, and but that is still a stunning bull. And
yeah, it's a beautiful animal. It's my favorite antelope.
Yeah, and for any hunter.
When they're big, the most amazing animals. Them and kudu are my favorite.
Yeah.
Sable.
You've hunted sable before. You're also involved in the conservation project in Angola of conserving the giant sable. So I know you will appreciate a sable bull like that any day. But as I said, this is our first day, and just showing that they are around. This is our second big sable bull for the afternoon that we spotted. But yeah, stunning bull.
That looks like a good, very good shot. Okay. Oh, there he is. Joao, sable hunting in the rain. A first for me, to be quite honest. And it is a spectacular bull. Definitely one of the best bulls we've ever hunted. Let's just have a look at him. Back on this side, Joao. Joao!
Very much.
Huh?
Thank you, George.
You came for a big sable bull.
That's a big sable bull, no question about it.
Your favorite animal, huh, Joao?
My favorite animal, my favorite antelope.
Huh?
The ground was really slippery when I was there. Was not standing in the best position. It's funny how just a few rain, what
Yeah.
it can do to this type of soil.
Yeah. But pick up those horns a little bit. Let's just see it. It is. Huh, Joao? What a sable bull. Huh? A year and a half ago, before COVID, you said you're going to be back for a big sable bull. We must make sure it's a big bull.
It's a big bull.
Huh?
It's a beautiful bull.
A lot of character on the horns.
Yes. Old bull. Second girl. Long. Nice shape. It has it all.
Yeah. Stunning bull. Stunning, stunning.
Bro, what do you think?
Yeah, good. Nice. Okay, thank you. Nice bull. Yes.